right, as we head into the evening hours, the clouds continue across the valley, and so do the winds. The Valley Skycam showing traffic moving along just dandily right now along the Interstate 94 corridor. Here's a look at the latest wind measurements from across the region. Still southeasterly, gusting over 30 miles per hour at times in the Devil's Lake Basin. The Red River Valley still robust wind speeds over 30 miles per hour. And we have gusts in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range across western Minnesota as well. So everyone windy. A look at the Hector measurements right now, 33. But with all of that wind, it feels like those low 20s. Blustery this evening. For the most part, we've stayed fairly dry in the FM area. Not the case for everywhere. Hey, the warm spot, how about the 40-degree reading in Aberdeen, where the temperature is still climbing? That warm air trying to work its way in, but it's pretty much stuck. 31 Grand Forks, 28 in Langdon and Cavalier. We have 25 this hour. The cool spot up in Baudette, with the Bemidji area not far behind that at 27. Here's a look at the Bemidji area. Speaking of Beltrami County, Red Lakes area, seeing some snow making its way slowly off to the east as it exits the region, and some unknown precipitation reported at the airports out for our easternmost counties as well. This is exiting, but when we look out to the west, we see pink. That's mixed precipitation, sleet, freezing drizzle, and some raindrops out to the west. That's approaching us. Here's what your hour-by-hour forecast says. Stuff we see out to the east quickly shifts out to the east, but watch the wind speeds with me as we go between now and 10 o'clock at night. It stays robust. Gusty south-southeasterly winds will continue through the 10 o'clock hour, and temperatures will stay steady or even climb a bit for some of our western and southern counties. Now, as we go into the late evening hours, here comes. Now, watch what happens as I set this into motion. Into the overnight, it blossoms as it crosses into the Red River Valley and northwest Minnesota. Some areas could see some freezing drizzle, some sleet, and even snow working its way through the Lake of the Woods area during the overnight hours. And as we head towards rise and shine time, finally the wind starts to die down, so still breezy through many of the sleeping hours. Temperatures about where they are right now. In the south, we'll have some 20s up north, and looks like light winds to start the day with most of the snowfall gone. Watch for very slippery road conditions along and north of Highway 2 as you head out the door on your Friday morning. As we head toward midday, wow, another band of precipitation develops with a chance of some sleet and some snow across Lakes Country and the southern Red River Valley. This is about midday, and then it's out of here fairly quickly as well, with north winds picking up a little bit late in the day. And because of those north winds, our steady temperatures all day will stay steady, or for some even fall throughout the day, for another brisk close to the work week, clearing out a little bit by tomorrow evening. As far as snowfall potential goes, upwards of an inch or so. An isolated location up near Lake of the Woods could certainly see a couple of inches of additional snowfall. 35 as we start out the morning on a warmer note than today, and we'll see those winds shifting, become northerly, but nothing too strong, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy skies, and there will be a slight chance of some precipitation here in the FM area. Your hometown forecast: Langdon 22 on the afternoon, 34 in Detroit Lakes with 32 in Bemidji. Very interesting shot here of some circles in the lake. Actually the river near Valley City. Brian uploaded that dandy. Here's a look at your planning forecast. A lot of ups and downs. Weather whiplash, I call it. Cool on Saturday. Sunday, we warm it back up to 42 in Fargo. How about Monday? 48 beautiful degrees. As we cool off on Tuesday, it looks like a few travel troubles on Wednesday, the eve of Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Day, we're back in business with 45.
You're right, that is a lot of whiplash.
It is.
Thanks, Hush.
Yes.